Mediation for NY divorces. What you need to know. Divorce, while often challenging, can be approached in various ways. One method that has gained popularity due to its focus on cooperation and problem-solving is mediation. This process encourages constructive dialogue between the parties involved, leading to resolutions that are mutually satisfactory and often more personalized than those typically achieved through traditional methods. Mediation in divorce. In the context of divorce, mediation is a voluntary, confidential process where a neutral third-party mediator assists the separating couple in negotiating their own settlement terms. Unlike a court-ordered decision in a traditional divorce, the mediator doesn't impose solutions but encourages the parties to explore various options for resolution. The primary goal is to reach an agreement that respects the needs and interests of all parties involved, including children. Benefits of choosing mediation. Mediation in divorce proceedings offers numerous advantages over traditional litigation. By providing a platform for open dialogue and negotiation, it creates an environment conducive to finding mutually beneficial solutions. Here are some key benefits of choosing mediation. Promotes open communication. Fosters collaboration. Less stressful. Cost-effective. Time-efficient. Confidentiality. Preserves relationships. Control over the outcome. The divorce mediation process. The divorce mediation process, while less formal than court proceedings, still has a structured framework that guides couples towards a mutually beneficial resolution. The phases include an initial consultation with the mediator, gathering necessary documents, the first mediation session, and continued negotiation and communication. Initial consultation with a mediator. The mediation process commences with an initial consultation with the mediator. Gathering necessary documents. The next stage involves gathering necessary documents. Transparency is key in mediation, and this includes full disclosure of all relevant financial information. First mediation session. In the first mediation session, the mediator encourages each party to share their perspective on the issues at hand. Negotiation and communication in mediation. Negotiation and communication form the backbone of the mediation process. The role of the mediator. A mediator in divorce proceedings assumes a complex role that includes being a neutral third party and facilitating communication. As a neutral entity, they ensure fairness, manage power imbalances, and maintain impartiality throughout the process. Their role as communication facilitator involves encouraging open dialogue, guiding couples to express their needs, and fostering a respectful conversation environment. Key components of a successful divorce mediation. A successful mediation in divorce cases relies on several key components. These include open and honest communication, cooperation and compromise, effective problem-solving techniques, and a well-drafted mediation agreement. Open and honest communication. One of the cornerstones of successful mediation is open and honest communication. Cooperation and compromise. Cooperation and compromise form another critical component of successful mediation. Exploring potential solutions to disputes. The application of effective problem-solving techniques also contributes to the success of mediation. Well-drafted mediation agreement. Finally, a well-drafted mediation agreement is a vital component of successful mediation. When divorce mediation may not be a suitable option. While mediation can be an effective method of dispute resolution in many divorce cases, there are situations where it may not be suitable. High-conflict situations, domestic violence concerns, and complex financial issues can all pose challenges to the mediation process. High-conflict situations. In high-conflict situations, where emotions run high and the level of hostility between the parties is severe, mediation might not be the best choice. Domestic violence concerns. Mediation is also generally not appropriate in cases where there are concerns about domestic violence. Complex financial issues. Finally, complex financial issues can pose challenges to the mediation process. Legal implications of divorce mediation. Mediation, as a method of alternative dispute resolution in divorce cases, carries several important legal implications. These include the enforceability of mediation agreements, the role of attorneys during mediation, and the necessity of court approval for mediated agreements. Enforceability of mediation agreements. Mediation agreements, once finalized and signed, become legally binding contracts. Role of attorneys in mediation. While the mediator facilitates the negotiation process, attorneys can play a crucial role in advising their clients during mediation. Pre-mediation preparation with your lawyer. Before mediation begins, a divorce lawyer can offer crucial support. Your lawyer's function during mediation. It's not unusual for divorce lawyers to be present during mediation sessions. Evaluating the mediation agreement with your lawyer. After reaching a mediated agreement, your lawyer assumes a pivotal role in reviewing this agreement. Court approval of mediated agreements. Even after a mediation agreement is reached, it must be submitted to the court for approval. How divorce mediation differs from traditional divorce. Mediation offers a distinct approach to divorce that sets it apart from traditional litigation and even from other alternative dispute resolution methods like collaborative divorce. Understanding these differences can help couples choose the most appropriate path for their circumstances. Mediation versus litigation. In traditional divorce litigation, each party is represented by an attorney and the process is adversarial in nature. Mediation versus collaborative divorce. Collaborative divorce, like mediation, is a method of alternative dispute resolution aimed at reaching a mutually agreed settlement without court intervention. Getting the legal help of an experienced Manhattan divorce mediation lawyer from the law office of Besinque. Mediation serves as an effective, less adversarial alternative to traditional divorce processes. It promotes open dialogue, cooperation, and problem-solving, enabling couples to maintain control over the outcomes and potentially achieve more personalized and satisfying resolutions. While it may not be suitable for all circumstances, its benefits are considerable for those in situations conducive to this method. Engaging a New York divorce mediation lawyer can further enhance the benefits of this process. At the law office of Besinque, our team of Manhattan divorce mediation lawyers may be able to provide invaluable guidance, helping to ensure the process stays on track and the resulting agreement is fair, legally sound, and reflective of the parties' mutual decisions. As you navigate your divorce journey, consider how mediation, with the support of a skilled lawyer, might provide a positive path forward. Call us today at 929-251-4477 to schedule a consultation,